Have you ever had a groundbreaking business idea but wondered if it would really succeed? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use Validator AI, a tool that helps you validate your business idea in minutes. Stick around to learn how this AI-powered platform can help you refine your concept and get ready for success. First, head over to Validator AI's website. No need to download anything, it's all online and easy to use. You can sign in or start right away by entering your business idea. Now simply enter your business idea, make sure to be as detailed and as clear as possible. The more specific you are, the more feedback you'll get. For example, let's say you're thinking of starting an eco-friendly subscription box service. Type that in and Validator AI will start working its magic. After submitting your idea, Validator AI will give you a detailed report. You'll see strengths, weaknesses, and even potential hurdles. Plus, this creates an elevator pitch tailored to your idea. This is super useful if you're looking to pitch investors or partners. Take this feedback seriously and use it to tweak your idea. Maybe it points out weaknesses you hadn't thought of, or suggests a way to refine your target market. Remember, great businesses are built by constantly improving. And finally, don't forget to download the feedback report. It's saved as a PDF, making it easy to refer back to as you continue to build your business.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.